This is the trailer review for Tuesday, the 26th of March 2024. And today on NVIDIA, we had a very tight pre-market action. We had set value higher yesterday, so it was looking bullish, but we had a bit of a retracement at the end of the day, so that they ended on a hammer. And today with the narrow pre-market action, I was expecting a bit of a big move to happen, and the open was signaling that as well. The first 5-minute candle was kind of narrow, so we had a narrow initial balance, and then the 2 minute was a bit of an open auction, and I just had a lot of fear of missing out today. And when I saw this strong reaction, I should have made my entry at any of these two levels, but I didn't. And then, as you can see, this was the perfect entry for the entire day, or anywhere around this area. And I made my first entry because I was very biased towards a flush to the pre-market low and then a run to the top side as the level 2, level 3 was balanced. And this first entry was okay. It just didn't work out for me. I think it was a bit in anticipation. This candle is too long and the reaction is not that impressive. This reaction could be the result of just a slight pullback or the spread. NVIDIA is very spready, so it creates those bottom wicks and top wicks that don't really mean much other than the spread. And I got stopped out immediately here with just a bit of a spread, and the price action showed another hammer. So if anything, this entry should have been short for at least one partial to recover the loss, I think, but I didn't take it. And I was just very biased on this move from the pre-market low, and this entry is not good at all. So I will give this entry a C grade, mainly because it has two criteria met. Like, I was making an entry at the very near the lows, the extremes. It was a strong level that was rejected already twice, and the level 3 was balanced, but as you can see, it failed. Rejected the previous day close. Made my second entry here, which is really bad in the middle of the gray area, just out of fear of missing out. Really no reaction from anywhere. Once we drop to the previous day close, that's when we finally have that rejection of the level, but it's not really a big move. So it's bad on my part. I made this entry in simulation because that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to make an entry after rejecting the previous day close. But again, anticipation. So my big problem has been anticipation and having the wrong bias. The market structure was a double distribution trend day. So it's a bit disappointing for me, but it is what it is. We didn't follow rules today. We anticipated a lot, and my community state wasn't great at all. I did write down that we could reject the yesterday's value and run the traverse, but I was just incredibly biased towards the top side. So today I had a what's going on here? I had a good pre-market prep, respected stop losses, and try to use levels for entries. But again, 0%, 2 trades, 0.2. Let's see the total damage. 2.6. Yeah, so not looking good. But few details here and there. I understand what happened here. It's just that I need to be able to react to it, and I need to act fast and adapt to changes. I cannot be this biased. I really can't be that biased. Oh, I need to fix this. that was a wrong cell. Now it's fixed. So I'm struggling. So that was an attempt at a reaction of the gray area. So those were XL. So longs failed. And same goes for my stats here. So anticipated, unbiased. Same here, and that's it for my trading review. A lot of work to improve my situation. But it's a live account. The live account is different. I just need to improve and get on that mindset where I'm confident to detect. I'm relaxed and confident enough to detect the changes and take those trades, and not just simply act like a robot and be very biased and just ignore the things that change in real time. So that's it for me today.